Good morning. It is 9 in the morning. Believe it or not, I woke up like a few minutes ago. We went to bed way too late. I think I went to 1 or 2. I need a fertilizer because I think my tomato is having some problems. I can use... Let me see. Nope. Where I put my special fertilizer, I will put this one. This has a little for tomato, but I don't think it will be a good idea right now. I want something for... Oh, my husband did a very good cleaning of these, and I don't know where is everything. This is for horses. I have one. I will not be surprised if he throw away. Okay. We will just take care of what we have. But it's a big difference of what it used to be. I have room for everything. Okay, I have this. Let me see here. I was sure I have one. Okay, no worries. Let's do what we have to do. That's what I need to do. I need to get all these blueberries. No, I want to. Because I will make some delicious jam. I need to clean a little this. I need to deadhead roses. A lot of these are dead, so a lot of the dead flowers to take care of. But we feel the first part. I forgot to show that I need to remove all these dead daisies. I did here and there. I will take the ones that are dead. Only those ones. But this needs to go to make a little more neat dot. Okay, I will do the beets, strawberries, shallots, and I have blueberries and more. First I put another off. And I came to look for the right size for my pickles. So let's see. Yeah. I need to boil these beets. I don't know if this is big enough. Oh no, it's something bigger. Need to put just a little more water. Okay, there is my radish. This one needs to cool down, I feel. Now I will do this. I will do the onions. Oh wow, I almost have what I need only with the blueberries that I carved.
Well, I guess you'd be making a bigger recipe.
Four cups, like it said.
Huh?
Look at that.
So I guess you'd be making 8 cups. Huh?
So I will do those first, I think. So it will be more blueberry than strawberry, and then I will do just more strawberry.
That don't make no sense.
Why? I have like for another 4 cups there.
I know. So you just want to make a strawberry jam, and then you want to make a blueberry jam.
Yeah.
You don't want to mix. I thought you wanted to mix.
I wanted to mix because I thought I didn't have enough.
Once you take 2 cups of blueberries out of that, put 2 cups of strawberries in that.
I can.
It's up to you.
I know, but I think we never have just the blueberry jam before.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, that's up to you. I mean, it's your jam, so.
I know. You know I love blueberries.
I just thought the strawberry, blueberry might be a good mix, but.
We did before.
The thing is, you don't have to restrict yourself to 4 cups. You can make 8 cups.
I can do that. Let's see.
You're gonna have to get a bigger pan, though.
Yeah, I think I will go for it.
And I have some enamel pans there too.
I don't know.
I don't know what you yeah, cook it in that. Well, you got a few strawberries in there already.
Yeah.
Oh, I thought it was all blueberry.
No.
Huh?
I put a cup of strawberries. That's the reason I say it. I can have that, like, a lot of blueberry and a little
Right.
and then have just strawberries. That can be a good option. Yeah, I think I will do that. So back to the original
plan.
plan.
Cook it in the
I have to use the blender, and it will be better if they are more compact.
Oh my.
Yeah, I think that will be. And then